first clue in the editable treasure hunt kit. The actual background itself, so this piece here with the cakes on, is not editable, only the font is. With regards to the font, you can change the text style, the text colour and the wording. So for this one, let's go ahead and change the name. So I'm going to add my daughter's name, Morgan. There we go, Morgan's birthday treasure hunt. If you want to, you can go ahead and change the font style. So let's try this one. That's not too bad. You can make it larger. You don't have to use this bit here. You can actually use handlebars on as well. Let's move it around a bit. There you go. So have a play around until you get something like, maybe you just want to literally just change the name. I actually like the original one. Where did that go? I think it's that one. Yeah, that's it. I like that one. It's nice and bold. So in the kit, you will also get a plain vintage paper background. Now, if you want to, you can double side print the clues and this scroll. So once you've finished editing, download, print this, and then turn it around in your printer, whatever your printer settings are, and just print on the reverse side the vintage paper.